Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the show. Okay, it is, for those of you who follow the channel, you will know it is cheat day today, which basically means, well, I'm sure you read the title. This is pasta Genovese. So this is actually my favorite recipe in the whole world from my favorite chef. Every single cheat day, the last 4 cheat days have all been from the same chef, Chef John on YouTube, check him out. So basically it's a pasta Genovese, it's a pasta sauce, but it's 7 hours long and it's like no other pasta sauce you've ever had. It's probably one of the easiest things I've also ever made as well, and I'll show you how easy it is. It just does take time. So it's supposed to be beef shoulder. I have beef rib, which is any sort of beef cut that is going to have it's basically a stewing meat because it's going to be a very long stew period. I've got some pork rashers. I have a lot of onions. You ask how many onions? I have 3 kilograms of onions, which I will chop up in a funny video type of way. And then I just got some basic carrots and some celery. So like I said, it's a very, very simple recipe, which you will see in the video. It is spectacular. It's like a French onion soup mixed with, like, I can't even explain the flavors that go on. So please do try this one if you get the chance, and keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing, share a video or two, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a much healthier salad. Cheers. Okay, wonderful people, this is my first attempt at a voiceover. So we're going to take the salted pork or bacon, add that to the pan, let that pan fry. You're going to get some of that pork fat out, and you're basically just going to flavor the pan. Cut your carrots, cut the celery sticks, and cut the beef into about a 1-inch cube. Now, there's 2 schools of thought about this in terms of taking the beef and cooking that. Some people like to add it to the pan slowly. For this particular recipe, it doesn't really matter because you're going to be stewing for so long anyway, but you do want to brown off the meat. So what I do is I just add the whole lot. I let the juices then evaporate out, and you kind of get the same effect. You wouldn't want to serve it then and there, but you're going to stew this meat, so it's really fine. How do you cut 5 kilograms of onions? You cry a lot. Now, if you have a big enough pan, you can basically add your onions straight into the pan, straight into the beef pan. If you do not have a big enough pan, take your beef out, put the onions in. At that point, if you wanted to, you can add in your bacon again and let that go for about 20-30 minutes and get your onions down to about half. And then if you do have a slow cooker, which actually does make it a bit easier, pop in your beef, pop in your onions into the slow cooker, and now the alchemy starts. So let that magic start to take hold. I come back once an hour, literally once an hour, to just give it a quick stir, check the fluid levels, and then just leave it. Leave it for 7 whole hours. And once that's all done, get some pasta, pop on some sauce, put some cheese on, and serve it with a panna cotta. So the panna cotta, that's what Marianne made for cheat day. It was spectacular. If you want her to make a video on that, please put that in the comments below. I will show her, and I will entice her into doing a video on making panna cottas or other delicious desserts. So hope you all enjoyed it. Stay cool, stay well, leave some comments, leave some likes, and we'll see you tomorrow.